What I will tell my fellow farmers is they should use fowl and other animal droppings to grow onion. It makes the plants look nice and stand strong. Everybody should try and collect such manure to farm. Onions need fertile soil to grow. Just like any other plant, onions take up nutrients when their roots absorb water from the soil. The nutrients are the food for the plants. But onions have few roots and shallow roots, and therefore can take up nutrients from the topsoil only. Many onion farmers use mineral fertilizer to increase yields, but they often waste a lot of money and may even see their onions rot in storage. In this video, we'll learn how to keep our soil fertile, and above all, how to avoid wasting money.